friends, and welcome to Bar Harbor, or as they say up here in Maine, Bar Harbor. So friends, we're gonna walk around Bar Harbor a little bit. You know, it's a quaint little fishing town. They got lots of touristy stuff. Surprisingly enough, everything's closing down for the winter. If you're anything like us, it's just hard to believe where summer 2020 went. But we're gonna go get some seafood. They got plenty of good options still left around for us. Check out some more of the harbor. And there's a really cool mountain called Cadillac Mountain that we're gonna drive up. Alright friends, we made it to the top of Cadillac Mountain. People are telling me that if you are in America and you want to see the sunrise, this is the first place that you can see it in the whole nation. That's because we're so high that from up here you can see way off in the distance and actually see the sun come up for the first time in America. Now, we're here in the middle of the day. We're not going to be sleeping here, so we're going to miss that, but it is quite the sight to see. I must say, if you guys are here in Maine, this is a place you got to come check out. Alright friends, and that is Bar Harbor. Now we're checking into our little hotel. Gonna have a nice night, and we'll see you guys in the next video.